Academic source, peer review, scholarly journal. What do these words mean? During the research process, the quality of your sources is very important. Search engine results, news articles, blog posts, magazines, and similar resources may provide some insight on a topic and lead you to further research, but they're not guaranteed to be high quality or reliable. The library provides access to tons of work from scholars, scientists, experts, and researchers, and much of it has been approved through a quality control process called peer review. See this icon? It indicates that this article has been peer-reviewed. Its contents have been scrutinized by multiple experts in the field to ensure that the data and conclusions are accurate and valid. Peer-reviewed articles are also called academic or scholarly sources, as they're the published work of scholars and used for academic research at all levels. Where do we find these peer-reviewed articles? In scholarly journals, which collect and publish articles on a single topic or field of study. Articles from scholarly journals are organized within online scholarly databases, and these databases are accessible through academic institutions like St. Lawrence College. After searching the library for a topic using our Page 1+ search, you can limit the results to peer-reviewed scholarly journals only by clicking this limiter. All of the scholarly sources will be marked with the peer-reviewed icon shown earlier. You can also search within a specific scholarly journal here, if you know its name. It takes a bit of effort to sort through all the sources available for your research, but it's important to use resources that are appropriate for scholarly use. Try searching the library to find some scholarly journal articles. And as always, get in touch with the library staff if you need any help along the way.